Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of deactivate account on Messenger. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click here on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.